What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a review on my Lightwood fingerboard. Alright, so start off with shipping. It was about 3 days shipping. Yeah, pretty fast. And yeah, Tyler's pretty legit. Alright, it goes, here's the bottom ply. He has winch, I think this is called, and he just has like a maple bottom ply. And it goes the bottom ply, and then maple, what is that? A dark ply, and then maple, and then the top ply. And kicks, just medium kicks. It's like a real skateboard. This kick's longer than this one, and it's pretty good. And I just put some rip tape on it and some Tech Deck wads and Tech Deck wheels. And concave is, well, you can't really tell. It's about low concave, medium to low. And yeah, I suggest buying Lightwood. They're only $10 with $2 shipping. But yeah, they're pretty good. I'm gonna put Tyler's YouTube link in the description. And yeah, you go subscribe to him, buy Lightwood. Oh, and I also got a piece of red grip with it. He gives you a piece of red grip. And he gave me some pivot cups. I just threw them in this bag. But yeah, he gives you 6 pieces of pivot cups. And yeah, fast shipping, great deck. Go buy one. Alright, peace.